Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. And in this video, I want to talk about how to make a lasting change in your life and how to really change the course of how your life is going. Now, this may seem weird. A lot of people, they get excited in the beginning when they're going after this thing that they love to do, and then all of a sudden they run out of gas. And they get to the point where they're saying, oh, this is getting too hard. I can't do this. Everything takes work, no matter what it is. Whether it's online business, whether it's a dream or goal you're going after, everything takes work. It takes dedication, and it takes you taking it seriously as well. There's a lot of times where people, they listen to their negative inner talkings and it stifles them. They never go forward. They never grow. And the reason why that is because they're not willing to get out of their comfort zone and start growing as a person. I don't know how many times I've been in different opportunities over the years where people are all excited and everything, and then they get paralyzed because they're like, oh, I can't make videos. I can't write emails out to people and introduce myself and all that kind of stuff. The reason why that is, and I watched a video on this the other day. There was this guy, and he was saying that our minds are basically computers. And when you feed your mind with negative self-talk, you're going to start believing what you're saying inside your mind. So it's almost like you're programming yourself to failure. Now, if you can turn that inner voice into a positive one, like, yes, I can do anything. I can make videos. I can do anything. And I am far more capable of doing what I think I can do. We are all far more capable. We all have gifts that were given to us, and a lot of us don't realize what those gifts are. And one way of finding out what you're capable of is to start overcoming your fears. Start doing new things, and don't be afraid to fail. You learn from your mistakes. And you'll find if you change that inner voice in your mind, you'll be able to do anything. Like, I've been promoting Exitus, my online business, a lot. I'm coming up to my 49th video. I made my first sale a couple weeks ago, but because of the compensation plan, that first sale gets passed up, the commission gets passed up to your sponsor. But in my mind, I know at some point I am going to make another sale. I am going to make that first commission, and I'm going to make multiple other commissions because I don't quit and I never give up. That's the key to success. Successful people are not people that have never failed. They're just people that never quit. Now, if you truly want to change your life and to change what you're capable of doing, then you got to get out of your comfort zone, and you got to stop living in the prison of fear and the prison of public opinion. Because when you get successful, when you start finding success, there are going to be naysayers. There are going to be haters that don't like your being successful. That's going to come. That comes no matter what. But if you're honest, and if you're truly honest with yourself, and you keep believing in yourself, anything is possible. And you're going to find that there are people that will follow you because they know that you're honest. They know that you really care about them and you really care about their success. Now, can you make them a success? No, that's entirely up to them. No one can make anyone a successful person. You have to want whatever it is that you want, and you have to work. You may have to work hard in the beginning to get to that place, but it will be worth it because you'll finally achieve your dream and your goal. So I hope all this is making sense to you, and I just wanted to make the standalone video for you guys. So that's about all I'm going to say in this video, and I just hope every one of you find success that are watching this video. Even in these dark times, I refuse to give up. I refuse to be a beacon of positivity, and believe that even in these tough times, you can still find success. So don't give up. Don't give up on life. Don't give up on having hope. Don't give up on any of it. And you'll find that if you have that kind of mindset, you will find success. And even when times get really dark, even darker than they are now, you'll still have that hope in your heart. So this is Matthew Letendre signing off. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button below. Comment below if you have any questions for me about anything. All my links for all the things that I promote are also in the description below. And I will see you guys all in the next video. And also make sure you subscribe to my channel so you'll get more videos like these as well. And you can find all these videos in my, if you click on the playlist section in my channel, you'll find a link where it says Drive With Me series. You'll find all those in that playlist. So subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload new content, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.